In this video, we will show you how to enable the AUX functions of the machine so that functions can be assigned to a joystick. Press the emergency stop button on the BAWS mode selector switch. Go to Hardware Programming. At the top of the page, you will see the various boxes and AUX devices that are connected. Select the corresponding AUX device. Now you can enable the functions so that they are displayed in the AUX assignment. Please note that both on-off functions and proportional functions can be enabled. Use the Page button at the top right to select the different pages. Tap on a free field. All functions that can be enabled will appear. Select your desired function. Confirm your selection with the green checkmark. Repeat this process for all functions that you want to enable. Now you can see the function in the AUX assignment of your terminal and assign it to your joystick. Return to the main page, unlock the emergency stop, and press the green button on the BAWS. The machine is ready for operation when the button lights up green. Wishing you much success this season.